Yo, what's up mga engkanto? It's your boy, A-Tech Grip in Cita2 Studio. Hey, for today's project, black and gray floral tattoo with butterfly, upper back, right side ni ma'am. Yo, medyo mabilis lang yung video natin dahil simple lang naman din yung gustong design ni ma'am. And dumayo pa sila from QC. Kaya naman deserve nila ma'am ng solid na outcome. Bali dalawa nga pala yung ipapagawa ni ma'am, isang moon and couple sila ni sir, kay sir naman yung sun. Ayan, and bali gift ni sir to kay ma'am, wedding anniversary yata, nakakalimutan ko, sorry. And ayun, plus na agad natin yung finished product nung kay sir, and then balot plus ng mga gawa natin. Yan. Big shoutout nga pala kay Ma'am Erms and kay Sir Mark. And it's your boy A-Tech Grip in Cita2 Studio. Peace out.
Kill it, Nike, Jordan, Nike, Jordan, Nike.